In South Africa, when the rains come, it's a blessing. When the hails come, I suppose it's a blessing even more. I think this is the makings of hail. Oh, there's one. It bounced. Where did he go? There he is. A little ice pellet there. Here comes some more. And, oh crap, let's get these plants under cover. Out the hail. We'll collect some hail and put them in. Because the nitrogen's excellent for the plants. But hail does one a hell of a damage to some plants here. Whew. Hopefully the angle's not too hectic. We'll assess and see if I think we're going to have to move those. It's only to there now, but that's definitely coming in under the roof.